Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Spiderman 2. While launching the game, you got an error. An error occurred while trying to read from an invalid file identifier. Check the installation folder to make sure that there are no missing files or inaccessible files. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, make sure you right click on the Marvel Rivals shortcut icon and choose the option Run as Administrator. If you are running the game using the Steam, launch the Steam and make sure you run the Steam as an administrator and then try to play the game. If this method fails to work out, in next step you need to change the language of the game. To do so, there are two ways. First one is you need to open the game installation directory. At my end, here is the game installation directory. Press the L key to find a language changer. Double click to launch it. Now right over here under the language, whichever the language is available or by default is chosen, you need to select to a different language. For example, from English you can choose Spanish, Latin American Spanish or any other language. After changing the language, try to play the game again. Now if this language changer option is not available, then you need to launch the Steam. In Steam, you need to right click on the game and choose the option properties. Now in this general tab right over here, you will find the option of language, and again from the default language, whatever language it is chosen, you need to change the language from English to like Latin American Spanish. Once language is chosen, go ahead and try to launch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Spiderman 2. An error occurred while trying to read from an invalid file identifier. So this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.